Hi, I'm Jennifer Blair with ROI Jolt, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a really cool tool that you can use to create custom graphics with. It is free, but they also have a paid for pro version, and the pro version is so worth it. It's only about $100 a year, and it unlocks so many additional features like professional images that you would otherwise have to pay $1 or $2 per image for to be able to use within the graphics that you're creating. It unlocks a ton of different templates that you would not have access to on the free plan, and it shortcuts and streamlines your graphics creation time by a crap ton because you can create templates, change out colors and stylization, you can plug in your branding. It just gives you a ton of features at your fingertips in an easy to use platform. So if you are trying to grow and scale your business, you're on a bit of a shoestring budget, you can't afford to hire a graphic designer full-time or even part-time on a regular basis, Canva is going to allow you to create some really stunning graphics for a very minimal time investment and very minimal cost investment. So click a link below, it'll give you a free trial. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.